Welcome to Latest Cars Review, your ultimate destination for the most exclusive and luxurious car reveals. If you're passionate about high-end automobiles and cutting-edge craftsmanship, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more incredible content. Today, we're diving into the epitome of automotive luxury, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail. This masterpiece is more than just a car. It's a statement of exclusivity, elegance, and engineering excellence. Handcrafted to perfection, it stands as one of the most unique coach-built models from Rolls-Royce. The Noire Droptail is inspired by the Black Baccara rose, a symbol of deep passion and mystery. Its sleek bodywork features a mesmerizing deep black paint with hints of red that shimmer under the light, resembling the petals of this rare flower. The silhouette is both bold and graceful, with a low-slung stance and a beautifully sculpted rear end that flows seamlessly into its distinctive droptail design. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines opulence. Rolls-Royce has meticulously crafted a cabin that blends traditional craftsmanship with modern luxury. The dashboard is adorned with an intricate wooden panel made from 1603 individually placed triangles, creating a stunning abstract rose petal effect. The leather upholstery, finished in deep red hues, complements the theme perfectly. Powering this work of art is a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering effortless performance with unmatched refinement. The Droptail isn't just about power. It's about a smooth and serene driving experience that only Rolls-Royce can provide. The advanced suspension system ensures that every ride feels like gliding on air. One of the most unique features of the Noire Droptail is the bespoke Audemars Piguet timepiece, which can be detached from the dashboard and worn as a wristwatch. It's details like these that make this car truly special, blending the worlds of hot horology and automotive luxury. Only a select few will ever have the privilege of owning this ultra-exclusive masterpiece, with its rumored price tag reaching well into the multi-million-dollar range. This is not just a car, it's a rolling work of art, a symbol of wealth, taste, and individuality. That wraps up our review of the breathtaking Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. See you in the next one.